This is Ayivi. I trust that you are in great spirits at this time. Thank you for watching. I'd like to say a big thank you to all our returning subscribers and returning viewers. Thanks for coming back once again to watch more videos on this channel. I would also like to extend a very warm welcome to all our new subscribers. Thank you for making the decision to be a part of the viewership of this channel. You will notice that in this video, we are trying something different than usual. As a result, if you like what you see, kindly give us a thumbs up by clicking the like button. Drop us a comment, subscribe, and share this video with family and friends. In the previous video, we took a look at enduit and sanding of all interior walls and ceilings. If you've not had a chance to watch that video, kindly do so at your convenience. Well, you can see that we are forging right ahead with the installation of windows on the first floor. So at time of upload of this video, that is what we're working on. Window installs on the first floor. This is really pretty early on in the game. So let me just give you some characteristics of what it is we are trying to achieve. Aluminum framed windows, color, bronze, which is a blackish type color. The window pane will be Antelio bronze, which will be a reflective window pane during daylight, when looked at during daylight. And the fabrication is being done by a local artisan and his team. Altogether, we've ordered 28 windows of varying sizes, some sliding, others hopper style windows, and I know we have 2 French windows also in the works. There will be insect screens on all the windows. Folks, when the window job is complete, we will review in detail on the channel. We're going to take a break from posting construction videos until the window job is complete. As you can see, we are heading to Marcelo Beach. We're trying something new. Please stick and stay with us.
downgh.com.
On social media, and for me, it's predominantly YouTube, we meet and communicate with people from different walks of life. One such individual who I have encountered is Sebright from Bright and Clara's channel. Unlike me, Sebright has a background in construction, and he posts excellent videos on Bright and Clara's channel. Sebright is based in Dubai, the United Arab Emirates, and is building in Ghana. Maybe that's why I selected the background sound that you hear. Sir Bright is a very dynamic individual who speaks his mind. So folks, check out his channel. I think we can all learn something from the videos posted over there. I recently learned a bit more about biodigesters from his videos. So kindly support. Find your way over there to Bright and Clara's channel. Watch some videos. And above all, please subscribe. Subscribe to Bright and Clara's channel. A link to Bright and Clara's channel is provided in the description down below. See you there. Thank you.
Bobby Mambo Antama, Bombay Bobby Mako Fiati Mama. Bobby Mambo Antama, Bombay Bobby Mako Fiati Mama. Malai, Mamenu wa Mama. Kani na chila wala. Mamenu wa Mama. Kani na chila wala. Senye binoyo, Sebo binoyo, Sambo binoyo. Oya semo, Ashiye ya na elie. Sham your time for the baby, no. In talk on them putting back a musro. Now so time for the young cry. I'm also my uncle, no Baba Betty, but I'm not able to walk on the Fini Pane. Mama, how I had if you was saying, Yellow. Why? Yeah, baby. Comme il confie Nata. Miaji allo. Ilelele. Michone miaji allo. Shade abana yambo looking sharp. Hey, I enter my look into your word. So I know when you do zoom power shark. You go survive when you owe mama when you so looking smart. Hey, party man soon and talk compete. This year I am better madeno. Sika say ne pepe. This year I am yada madeno. TV series is ten. This year I am shada madeno. Chapel Monday to Sunday. Suffer I am better madeno. On our way to riches. On our way. Fire bomb poverty. Far away. On our way to riches. On our way. Fire bomb poverty. Far away. Oh, bad jodo. Yeah, baby. Bad jodo. Nah, baby. Bad jodo. Yeah, baby. Bad jodo. Nah, baby.
Charlie, I say life may be like how you see a mo. At the time my fans say me, I don't believe it. Later boy, moko wabo. At the time it is suffer, at the time it is beg.
So, folks, we have come to the end of the video. We have tried something new. Give us a like if you enjoyed what you have seen. Drop us a comment. Please provide some feedback. Subscribe if you've not already subscribed. And don't forget to share this video with family and friends. Our break from construction and the trip to Marcelo Beach in Lomé, Togo will continue. Until next time, this is Ayivi saying cheers. Cheers to you. Sonne ye bibi mawo do bia nyi hwede ma me na wo menka de bibi anko do je kwanyande mana po we je to obla no wadan I try in the boxing and wrestling still no ko ye ya try karate.